Hey, I'm Pokephil, and we're going to open 10 Pokemon Go Booster Packs. As you maybe know, I'm still missing the Radiant Venusaur, and that's what we're trying to get. So let's see. Oh, and by the way, I'm still missing a lot of cards from the set, but this is the one I'm hoping for. So let's go for the first pack. Fire Energy. I still can't decide whether to flip the cards or do it this way or this way. I don't know. Lunatone, Pupitar, Luna Module, Wimpod, Pidove, Bulbasaur. This can only be a good pack opening if we get the Bulbasaur in the first pack. And the Squirtle. Beat off. And there is a reverse holo Pikachu. That's nice. My son loves this card. And I guess I'm going to give it to him. And there is a Moltres. That's also pretty cool because I've got none of the birds until now. And that's the first one. Pretty cool. Energy. Another Lunatone. Rare Candy. Unfisant. Ipom. Spinarak. Not the Dido version. Alolan Rattata. Wimpet. Pikachu. Egg Incubator, Reverse Holo, and a Dragonite V. Ooh, that's pretty nice. We've already got the other one, but this one I've got not. Let's look at it. Here it is. That looks really cool. Let's see what we've got here. Starting off with Energy, Lurmodol, Ariodis, Solrock, Onyx, Bibarel, Meltan, Magikarp, Ipom, Articuno Reverse Holo. That's cool. So we got the second bird. Maybe we'll collect today all the 3 legendary birds. That would be really cool. 2 birds in 1 pack. That's cool. That's a really cool pack. Even though that I already got the Moltres, but hey, 2 birds with 1 stone is one of the English expressions. But yeah, 2 birds in 1 pack. That's cool. But still, no Radiant Venusaur. We still got some packs. YouTube would also be pretty nice. Starting off with how to focus a camera. You just have to wait. So, Energy, Zato, Pokestop, Slowbro, Squirtle, Spinarak, Wimpod, Lavita. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so stupid. Numel, Gyarados, very nice. Reverse Holo. What is this? Those are the strangest packs. Pokemon Go packs are just weird for me. 2 times Charizard. Both legendary birds here and 2 Gyarados, but with different holo effects in 1 pack. I won't complain. It's a cool artwork, it's a nice Pokemon. But it's just a strange pack. Energy, Slowbro, Lunatone, Chansey, Meltan, Squirtle. We've got a lot of Squirtles today. Tranquil, Charmander. That's nice. Maybe we're going for the Charizard in this pack? Who knows? Eevee, Blanche, Reverse Holo. That's nice. And another Dragonite V. We're going for the copies today, as it seems. Another Dragonite V. The same artwork. As I said, I've already got the other one. I can show you. Where is he? Here is the other one. And I guess there's still a third one missing. Dragonite V-Star, I guess. Don't really know. Fun fact is, I've seen so many Radiant Venusaurs in other pack openings, and I just can't seem to get it. I don't know why. Maybe my luck is not there. Energy, Chameleon, Pupitar, Chansey, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, another Natu reverse holo, and for the last, a Slacking V. Oh. Until now, I did not have it. I guess I just have the weirdest packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. I cannot count. 4 packs to go. Radiant Venusaur. Maybe. I mean, even if we will not pull the Radiant Venusaur in this opening, I've bought some other packs and we will open some Pokemon Go boosters in the future. But it would be really nice to have it now. Energy. Solrock, Egg Incubator, Chameleon, Charmander, Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Pupitar Reverse Holo, and alright, it's okay. We got Zapdos, so we got all the 3 legendary birds for today. Here they are. All the 3 legendary birds in one opening. Energy, Wartortle, Solrock, Lumodol, Pidove, Eevee, Charmander, Iporn, Bulbasaur, Eevee Reverse Holo, and a Snorlax. That's also pretty cool. Every old school Pokemon will go into my collection. I've also bought a new binder with just 160 slots, and this binder will be my first gen binder. Perfect ending would be Radiant Venusaur, but let's see. Energy, Camerupt, Zato, Blanche, Onyx, Bibarel, Meltan, Magikarp, Iporn, Alolan Rattata, and another Dragonite V. Oh, it's a beautiful card. I won't deny it. It's a very beautiful card. And we got 4. Let's look a little bit at the centering. Centering looks really well. This is a beautiful card. What is going on today? As I said, I've got the weirdest packs. And we got this one already. This is crazy. Crazy and weird. It's a strange mixture. The last pack. Come on. Radiant Venusaur. You can do it. Energy. Blanche. Camerupt. Egg Incubator. Another Squirtle. Meltan. Bidoof. Magikarp. Onyx. Lunatone. And for the last card, another Gyarados. Alright. I guess that's pretty cool. We've got all the 3 legendary birds, and we've got 3 Dragonites. and one V full art. That's cool. Alright. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope we see each other in the next video. So until then, have a great day and bye.